Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 19th. Corn market up today once again. Corn up 8.5 cents, but beans down 2 3/4, and then wheat jumping up about 9 1/4 cents. So corn and wheat were higher. Beans were a little bit lower. Now, corn pushed above the 200-day moving average as far as the May contract. We took out the longer-term downtrend here today and was able to close above it. We do need to see another close above it here to really get that trend changing. But right now, pretty solid close today. Not a lot of news out there for the grains. Still kind of keeping the beans lower. This talk of China not really buying anything. Returning some more cargoes down in South America, but not finding those purchases come to us just yet. So keeping a little bit of pressure for beans. We're waiting for purchases from China. Really haven't gotten anything. But lighter volume today. Still waiting for this crop report coming out on next Thursday, so a week from Thursday. And a lot of guys just kind of getting in position for that at this point as far as grains. Now, the outside market's not really a big factor today. The dollar up 30 cents. Crude oil dropping back $1.60, so 92.16. That's after some strong days that they've put together the last few. But giving back quite a bit of it here today, down $1.60. Stock market was sharply lower earlier, kind of fighting back at this point, only down 5 points. S&P only down 5 points as well, so coming off the lows very nicely. We'll see if it can find some strength tomorrow and maybe get this emotion to turn back onto the long side of this market. But we have recovered off these lows rather nice. As far as cattle, down about 70 cents today. Now, we did see fat cattle take out the contract lows, but we were not able to close down below that. 125.35 right now is where we stand. The low today of 124.80. So we did come off the lows pretty nice, but we've heard cash cattle trading at 124 in Iowa. Kansas, we had Tyson out of Nebraska come in, paid 125.50. JBS right at that 124 level as well. So we are finding some cash cattle trades here on a Tuesday. We'll see if that's going to continue here this week, but there was a lot of chatter earlier looking at Kansas around the 125, 126 level. We'll see how that's going to pan out here in the next few days. But box beef not giving a lot of help today. Choice this morning down 16, with Select up about 52. In the hogs, down $1.15 again. So we continue to pressure these hogs. Still expecting to see some choppy to lower cash markets. We've seen them in some trouble the last few days and expecting to see that again here today. But we've got to watch the cash market turn before we get the futures to do the same. So expect some choppy trade there at least throughout this week as well. So pretty slow day in the grains. Not a lot going on. We'll have to watch these overnights. But technically on corn, a pretty solid move today and strong close. We'll see if we can hold that here tomorrow. But give us a call with any questions that you have. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you had a great day today. We'll talk to you tomorrow.